Hi friends, welcome back to another day of sound work. Let's get started. Thumbs up. It's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, oh yeah. It's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, oh yeah. Rhyming words sound the same at the end. Remember my friends, it's that last chunk of a word that we listen to see if two words rhyme. All right, your ending chunk today is ain. We're going to talk about some words that rhyme with ain, and then I'm going to give you some time to see if you can think up some words on your own. So if the end is ain, I just need to add a consonant sound or a consonant blend or a consonant digraph sound to the beginning. So ain. What about ain, chain, or ain, rain, chain, rain. Can you think of any other words that rhyme with chain and rain that end with ain? Show me a connection symbol if you thought of any of these ones. Ain, plane, or ain, main, plain, main. Those end with ain. If you think of any other words that end with ain, be sure to let me or your teacher know. We want to hear those rhyming words, my friends. All right, what's at the beginning? I don't know. What's at the beginning? I don't know. We're listening for beginning sounds. That's the first sound you hear. Just like the rest of the week, my friends, I will say 3 words. You're listening for the beginning sound that's the same in all of those words. Remember, this week, the beginning sounds have all been consonant digraph sounds or consonant team sounds. So here we go. Shoe, she, shop. Shoe, she, shop. Those all start with shh. Your turn. Them, their, that. The first sound in all of those was good. Child, cherry, chief. The beginning sound in all of those words was ch. Good. Thunder, thumb, third. The beginning sound in all of those words was th. Good job, my friends. All right, let's get ready to blend. Let's blend a word, let's blend a word, let's blend a word, oh yeah. Let's blend a word, let's blend a word, let's blend a word, oh yeah. I will give you the sounds, my friends, and you will blend them together to say the whole word. I'll do the first one with you. Throne. Good. Your turn. Oat. The word was throat, like your throat. The word was sunshine. Good job. Last one. The word is branch. Good job, my friends. Okay, we are going to play Find the Digraph Sound or Find the Consonant Team Sound. I'm not going to tell you what sound you're listening for today, but let's go over what some of our digraph or consonant team sounds are. Ch. Say ch. Good. Shh. What about? So those are the 3 sounds you're listening for, either ch, sh, or f. Are you ready? I'll say a word and you tell me if the digraph sound is at the beginning, the middle, or the end. You've got this, my friends. The word is checked. Is the digraph sound at the beginning, middle, or end? Checked. It's at the beginning. The sound is ch. Where is the digraph sound in this word? Touchdown. Touchdown. Beginning, middle, or end? It's in the middle. Touch down. The ch was in the middle. All right. Where's the digraph sound in shiny? It's at the beginning. Shiny. Shh. Where's the digraph sound in ticklish? Ticklish. Ticklish. The sh is at the end. Good job, friends. Let's get ready to chop. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Oh, yeah. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Oh, yeah. All right, choppers up. I'll say the whole word, and you chop it into every sound you hear. Let's do the first one together. Bench. Bench. B-e-n-ch. Bench. Good. Chunky. Check your work. Chunky. Ch-a-n-k-e. Chunky. Good. Selfish. Check your work. Selfish. S-e-l-f-ish. Selfish. Let's do one last one. Wristwatch. Wristwatch. Check your work. Wristwatch. R-I-S-T-W-A-t-c-h. Wristwatch. R-I-S-T-W-A-t-c-h. 7 sounds. Give me an air high 7. Good work, my friends. All right, let us add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Oh, yeah. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Oh, yeah. Okay, my friends, I'm going to give you a word part, and we're going to add a consonant sound at the beginning. Now, there's a consonant sound at the beginning of the word part that I'll give you. So you're going to have those 2 consonants that come together, and we say their sound like a chunk. They'll be making consonant blends at the beginning. So for example, if I say rate, and I say add k at the beginning, the er's right here, and I have k now, so it's coming crate, crate. Say wipe, add s at the beginning, and the word is swipe. Say rash, add k at the beginning, and the word is crash. Good. Say pine, add s at the beginning, and the word is spine, like your backbone or the edge of a book. Like this part of a book right here is the spine. Alrighty, friends, let's get ready to delete. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Oh, yeah. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Oh, yeah. All right, friends, I'm going to say a word, and we're going to take away the beginning blend sound or the beginning digraph sound, the beginning consonant T sound. Here we go. Say crime. Without cur, what's left is I'm, because you had cur, I'm, crime. You take away the cur, you're left with I'm. Say small. Without sm, what's left is all. Say shame. Without sh, what's left is aim. Say shout. Without sh, what's left is out. Very good, my friends. All right, let's change part. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Oh, yeah. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Oh, yeah. Okay, friends, just like we've been doing the rest of these past few days of the week, we are changing the vowel sound, and we're changing it either from long to short or short to long, okay? So we're flipping that vowel sound. So if I say, this is the word rid, change the I to an I. The word is ride, because at first it was id, now it's id, ride, okay? Say mope. Change the O to an ah, and the word is mop. Say glob, sorry, say glob. Change the ah to an O, and the word is globe. Good. Say cap. Change the a to an A, and the word is cape. Good. Say peat. Change the E to an E, and the word is pet. Very good job today, my friends. Thank you so much for all your hard work, and I will see you tomorrow.